Hi everyone. So in this lecture we are going to discuss the reaction of alcohols with phosphorus trihalides. So phosphorus trihalides is just the phosphorus is attached to three halides, okay, to three halogen groups, and this is a very important reagent for the preparation of alkyl halides from the alcohols. Okay, this is the industrial process, we can say, for the preparation of alkyl halides. And as we can see from this example, we are getting a good yield of the alkyl halide. Okay, 3 moles of alcohol react with the phosphorus trihalide, and we get 3 moles of alkyl halide in the reaction. And this is the phosphorus acid. This is the phosphorus acid that we get as the byproduct in the reaction. Okay, this is another example of the reaction in which this hydroxyl group is replaced by the bromine. There is a substitution of this bromine group in place of this hydroxyl group, and we get this particular alkyl halide in the reaction. Okay, so discussing the reaction mechanism. This is a simple SN2 mechanism. Okay, two SN2 steps are involved in the reaction, as we can see here in this example. So this is just a substitution reaction. No carbocation is formed in the reaction. Okay, so what happens in the reaction? And we have this is example of an alcohol. This alcohol reacts with the phosphorus tribromide. This is phosphorus tribromide. First, this bond is a polar bond. Okay, because bromine is more electronegative than phosphorus, so it tries to grab the electron pair towards itself. Therefore there is a partial positive charge on the phosphorus, and there is a partial negative charge on this bromine. Okay, so again this oxygen is also having a partial negative charge here. So this is going to attack, this electron pair is going to attack the phosphorus having the positive charge, and as a result this bromine comes out. Okay, this bromine comes out as a negative ion. Okay, so in next step, this bromine, negative bromine, being a good nucleophile, attacks the carbon, attacks this carbon, and there is this complex, because this oxygen is having the oxygen having a partial positive charge, this formal positive charge on the oxygen. So this is unstable. As a result, the electron pair goes towards the oxygen, and it leaves as this complex. Okay, as this intermediate in the reaction, and we get the first molecule of alkyl halide. Simultaneously, two similar reaction steps take place in which these two bromine atoms are replaced. Okay, they are replaced by hydroxyl groups. Again, the alcoholic, again this is having the positive charge now. Okay, now more positive charge is on this phosphorus, because it has two bromine atoms are attached to this. We have here is it's having the partial positive charge. So oxygen of alcohol is again going to attack it, and same process is going to happen in the reaction. And in the two simultaneous steps, two bromine atoms are removed, and we get two molecules of this alkyl halide in the reaction. And we get this phosphorus is now attached to three hydroxyl groups. Okay, that is, we can write it as H3PO3. This phosphoric acid that is obtained in this reaction as a byproduct, and we get the three molecules of this alkyl bromide in the reaction. Okay, so this is one more method for the preparation of alkyl bromines. So alcohols react with bromine, react with phosphorus trihalides, and the corresponding alkyl halide is formed in the reaction. This simple SN2 mechanism is followed by the reaction. Okay, so this was the last reaction that will be discussing in this section, that is the reactions of alcohols. And in next video we'll try to look at some practice problems based on the reactions of alcohol.